Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by Brother Mutao.
Tips, yo. Steve, kuja.
Yeah.
Tips call, ne? I'll draw wheel today. 1-1.
Yes.
I shall pound this tip.
Yeah. Cameraman, start with this expensive outfit. Pachueli Kalago 5,000. Chino ena asiya ko Mr. Price. Kya ko Gucci store. Bangthola skipper se ke kanti fa uiti bitsa mo ikugula.
Yeah. Utse beginning ke giant ne?
Yeah. Ifa ba itse ba bolo ikugula.
I will reka above plastic. Bofa bag.
There's a difference, brother.
Yeah.
There's a difference.
I took a plastic here.
I see plastic.
But plastic, you took a bag.
Yeah. Proper thing.
Hey, go to two colors, black or blue yarn.
Yeah.
But Mara, what's it? Okay. Yeah.
Bake is over.
Yeah, what's it?
Tell me.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so Steve, thank you for interviewing me.
Yes.
And also thank you for Kaizer Chiefs for inviting us to this Calabar Stadium.
Yes.
Steve, we never came here on our own.
Yes.
We were invited by Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
So thank you Kaizer Chiefs family.
Himself.
Family. Thank you Kaizer Chiefs family for interviewing for inviting us here.
Yes.
And we honor the invitation.
Yes.
So we're sitting with the players, all the players that are not on the first 18.
Yeah.
So we're all this new one, they were there.
Yeah.
Sitting with them.
Yeah.
And they were happy to see us.
Yes.
So Chiefs and parents were not fighting. We're fighting maybe on the field when we were playing, but on outside, we are the neighbors, we are the family.
Yeah.
That's why they invited us here. Steve, to be honest with you, we got the invitation from Kaizer Chiefs.
Straight from the chairman.
Straight from the Kaizer Chiefs family.
Yeah.
So then the chairman also is part of the family.
Yes.
So we were here. So we honored and they were happy to see us. So let's go to the game, Steve.
Okay.
Steve, we spoke about this game yesterday. What I presented to Chiefs, I gave Chiefs the death certificate for Sundowns to come here and collect their 3 points so that they can claim the check for 10 million.
Yes.
So Kaizer Chiefs, they came very, very good.
Yes.
They matched Sundowns.
Yes.
Last time when Sundowns played Kaizer Chiefs here, I'm sure the score was 4-1, 5-1.
Yes.
But now things change.
Yes.
It was 0-0. Kaizer Chiefs supposed to wrap this game.
True.
That first half, is it the first half? First half shot on target for Lilepo.
Yes.
That shot, if it went to goal, that was a goal of the season.
That rocket. Yeah.
So Ron Williams shows that he's number 2 of Mzansi.
Yeah.
Goalkeeper number 2 of Mzansi by saving that goal.
Yeah.
Because we know the number 1 of Mzansi.
Who?
Sipo Chine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Goal of the season.
He also knows.
Yeah. Ron Williams knows.
Yeah.
So that's why I said no. Ron Williams shows that he's number 2 of Mzansi.
Where's Spezeze there? Because Spezeze should be number 2.
So Spezeze, I say outside. It's outside. Yeah. So I'm speaking about South Africans.
Yes.
So Ron Williams is number 2. Yes. Yeah. So he shows that he's number 2.
Yes.
Because that save that he did was excellent. Yeah. So Lilepo today for me, he played. He gives a Sundown defense. Sundown defense, they can't play Sundown without fear or favor.
Yes.
They need Kruso Mudau back.
They need it.
You see today they put Muren.
Yeah.
They replace Muren.
Yes.
They put who? Mudunyel.
Yes.
They put also this guy Mudiba.
Yes.
So Koza, the young man, he tries his best, but that position for center back is too big for him. It's tough. So Sundown, they need Bomvala. Bulibusa the center back.
Yeah.
But today, no. Sundown, no. I saw the bus there, the people, they were complaining at the bus there. It was not good. So this coach for Sundown is dismantling Sundown. Cardoso.
Yeah.
So, but for us, for all the parents who are happy, they must keep him on the job. Yeah, they must keep him. Yeah, because for us it's very, very good.
Yeah.
Because this team is not going anywhere.
Yes.
They're going to Stellenbosch on Saturday. They can come back on Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Steve, Kaizer Chiefs, as we said, Kaizer Chiefs, they rise to the occasion. So we need this thing in Mzansi football.
Yeah.
So we need Kaizer Chiefs to wake up.
Man of the match?
Man of the match for me for today, I can give to Mteto. He played very, very well.
Yes.
But sometimes some fans of the Chiefs, they don't understand. So when he passed at the back passes, so some they don't understand. But for him, it's very, very good. He was very, very special today.
Yeah.
Great players.
Yeah.
So Sibo, we're going to see Saturday. We're going to Durban to watch Kaizer Chiefs versus Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
Because Paris is playing at Eastern Cape. So Monday we're going to work.
Yeah.
So Paris, Saturday we're going to support Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
So that this giant Sundown, this season, they must be number 3. Number 1, it can get Kaizer Chiefs or Paris.
Yeah.
Skokune number 4.
Yeah.
Out of top.
Yeah. Skokune, I need them.
Yeah.
Because it's team for Lipompo.
Yeah.
Skokune, Magez, Polukwane, they must be there on the top 8.
Shouts out.
So Sibo, I'm very, very happy about the supporters of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Because this game is during the week, but they make this stadium full capacity. Sundown, I'm sure Josie. I never see Josie here.
And we make sure that they don't beat the coach, Mudau. You must tell they were trying to beat the coach.
Protectile Caroso.
Yes.
You stood in the front line.
We called General Kekana to come and help with the police.
Nistopile Mundu.
Ow.
And long.
Josie, anniversary Josie. But Sundown, please, they must sort out these things for Kusum Dow. But yes, he's back on training.
Yeah.
They must speed up so that he can come back to play.
Thank you.
So all in all, Stibo, we're very, very happy.
Thank you. Thank you.